1-1, number 1. Is the statement true or false for figure 1? A. Ray CE contains point D. Let's look at that ray. Ray CE is right here. It starts from C all the way to D. And does it contain point D? Yes, it is. Point D is collinear to the ray CE, so we can write true here. B. Point K is collinear to point A. Let's look at point A here. And this is where point K is right here. Collinear means on the same line. If we look at it, they're not on the same line. So here we can write false. They're not on the same line. C. Line AB intersects ray CE. The line AB is located right here. That's line AB. Does that intersect ray CE? Ray CE is right here. In no way did that ray ever cross that blue line, so we write false. Letter D. Line segment AL is congruent to line segment LB. They're saying that this line segment right here, AL, is congruent to line LB. This is false. You do not know it's congruent. If point L was the midpoint, then you can say line segment AL is congruent to line segment LB, but we don't know that. So for right now, it is still false.